To share your device to other account, you have to first open Ezview or UNV link, whatever. Then go to settings, then go to device. Select which device you want to share. So plus this three dot, then you will find the share button. Click that share. First, share to whom. Select the second person Gmail address or email address which they created the application. Then after you selecting that email address, you can, the second option, you can validate like how many months, days, years you want him to see the device. After that, you can give the role, like what kind of admin role, that is you can choose which one. Then you will find by function what they want, what you want to share, like live view, or you want to give him PTZ control, two-way audio, whatever. After that, just click the share. Then that second person, he will get all the functions which we shared. Okay, thank you.